This is where all mentions containing your tracked keywords appear, pulled from across the web. Depending on your plan, mentions will show up in real time or with a slight delay. But there's more to them than just the text. You'll also see important details like the source, the influence score, and whether the mention is positive, negative, or neutral. To get even more precise results, you can use Boolean search, an advanced way to combine keywords using operators like and, or, and not. It helps you filter out the noise and focus only on the mentions that really matter. Want to explore further? Click the Visit button to go straight to the source. You can also add mentions to a report, block irrelevant authors, or take other actions. If you find a mention particularly important, click the Add to PDF Report button. You'll find it later in the designated section under PDF Report tab, where you can decide whether to include it in your final report. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the details each mention provides. Then filter them. If you're dealing with a high volume of mentions, you don't have to scroll endlessly. Instead, use advanced filters to sort by source, sentiment, intent, author, domain, language, and more. If you keep using the same filter settings, save them for later. Just click Save Filter under the search bar. Name it and reuse it for analysis, reports, or Slack and email notifications. Don't forget to check out the mentions chart, which highlights spike and drop in your mentions, reach, and sentiment. If you're on a pro or higher plan, our AI-powered events tool will even explain to you what caused those spikes. Don't have this feature in your plan but want to test it? Just reach out to our customer success manager.